Hello there guys, it's me Masaluki16 here, and you may be wondering why I haven't even posted anything that is on my phone. Is because I got a new smartphone. Because when I was walking down to the Dollar General, well, that was like a mile away from where I am. I dropped it onto the sidewalk and it cracked the screen. Not only did it crack the screen, but it also messed up the display. And don't worry, got a new smartphone, like I said, and now I'm back to posting content and making content on my smartphone. So enjoy the video. Guess what just arrived at the doorstep? Busted. You recognize this in the box fan? It's the Aerospeed. Over 2 months ago, I destroyed one, and now I found one in an even worse state, getting tossed out. Oh man, it must have survived the war. Won't survive the war any longer, because it's gonna get busted. You ready to play some baseball, Mr. Box Fan?